Oh, and we're live. So I don't know how long I'm gonna get because I don't have very much electricity in the battery. We're gonna see why this thing will not chooch no more. Come on now. Get out of there. Oh, you turd. Oh, wait. Hey. Ho ho. There's some more torb. Nice tactile switches there. Ka-chunk, ka-chunk. Nice detent. Nice. Detent. I don't think it's anything in here. We definitely got a lot of power. Well, more than enough power to have it work correctly. Now, if I can, oh well. Well, that's surprising. They just used a little bushing in the back. Oh, no. It is a bearing. Fancy. You can see the brushes down there. And, one moment. Yeah, right down in there. You got a brush there. And there. Yeah, I don't see no shit stains on the circuit board. Okay. Now, how? Ka-chunk. Well, help me understand. Z for the bearing there. Conformal coating. Very nice. I'm missing a snap ring here, or just gotta mash it a couple times. Yeah. So what I'm assuming is happening is the friction disc, wherever it is just shit in the bed. Okay. Nope, wrong way. Goes like that. A little thrust washer goes there. Oh, shoot. Very nice. Uh-oh. I'm dropping shits. Maybe it is the motor. There's no fucking friction disc in here. Dog. Just a hammer. Ka-chuk. And that is the case. Pretty decent little impact gun for what I paid for it. $40. Shoot. Oh, come on. I'll share. take a guess. Let's see, there's a snap ring up on here. Shit's pretty clean. That'd be perfect right now. At least that's not old burnt grease. That stuff's horrible. I don't really see any destruction so far. I had fucking Sugar Ray stuck in my head all day. It's been great. No. Oh, yeah, let me get back in the camera dangle there. That's a lot of frickin' spring right there. The type of spring you can get hurt with real quickly. Hello.
The truck isn't in pieces, like
it's in pieces.
What's that piece?
It's a piece.
Looks like a sprocket.
Yeah.
Sprockets.
Team Rocket. Rocket power.
Sprockets.
Wait, what?
Sprocket.
Sprocket. Trying to find the darn.
Is that from Gearman? That's not Gearman's nuts, is it?
God, I hope not. Oh.
Try some WD-40.
It goes ka-chunk, ka-chunk.
Uh-oh.
So it's the spring that's shit. Alright. That makes sense. But still, I don't understand how you get this. Which moves are off here.
Try it lefty-tighty. Righty-loosey. I'm gonna need to get on the CAD machine and make a tool. Then go ahead and print it out.
3D print?
With titanium alloys.
Oh, shit.
So this dude came in and bought 2 scratch offs, the $2 ones, and lost, so he left. And I'm like, damn, that third one's gonna hit. So I bought it. Hit for $10. So I bought a $10 ticket, hit for 30. So I bought some more tickets, ended up hitting for 50.
Damn.
Had it in my wallet. And this one $10 one kept losing. So I'm like, man, that winter's coming up. Fucking out at 5 $10 tickets, nothing. Damn it. I hate this shit. Whoa. $2, I was up like $48.
What happened? Goodness. That is just... She's pooched.
The spring? Or that?
There we go.
Is it supposed to flake off like that?
I don't know. Never taken this off before. Grandpa came in nasty about your car because I was fucking around with the OnStar thing again. What are you doing? Trying to figure out this OnStar thing so the thing can be still attached. Would you figure it out yet? That's what I said. I'm trying to figure it out. Come on, buddy.
It's like he'll have an opinion on something, or like, let's say he likes, just for example, seaweed. And you're like, yeah, I don't like it. Well, no, but if you have it this way, it's, you know, you always have to say yes to him. Some
Yes,
show
sir.
Tom Cruise was on the other day. Have you seen this one? I'm like, yeah. Was it any good? It was all right.
Oh yeah, shit, I'm not even in view. I don't know. I'm assuming there's supposed to be some sort of snap ring in here somewhere. I wonder if that's it, or what used to be a snap ring.
Get on the YouTubes.
Oh no, we're making YouTubes right now.
Ah.
We're actually making Facebooks. Hello.
Stop. Hammer time.
I just don't want to poke myself with this fucking thing.
Wouldn't feel good. It's like a dental tool.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so this is how you wreck your tools. You just smash them.
Hulk smash.
I don't freaking get it. Oh, I get it now, actually. Oh, so this is spinning on itself. That's why it's all gnarled up there. So that's that's where it failed at. The inside of here spun onto this. And it was trying to do the ka-chunk.
So you need a new Spacely space sprocket?
I just need new impact.
Oh, that's the drill.
Maybe,
okay, I was thinking that was part of your rear end.
No.
What the hell?
I got maybe one lug off before it was just like. Didn't like it.
Let's see, back in my day, we had this thing called a crowbar.
Oh, I got those too. This just makes it faster. Most of the time, I like using the hand tools.
Well, that's probably why you got this full thing of exhaust fuel for it.
No, it's compressor oil for Grandpa's clapped out compressor. That needs an oil change. Bad. I still don't think he's noticed the rerouting I did on the tractor for his.
No, I showed him. He's like, yeah, me and Cameron did this. I'm like, Cameron said he did it.
No, we did it the first time, and then I didn't like the house wire he was running on there.
Yeah.
So I swapped it up a little bit.
It's rated for 220. Oh, I can go right back to that. All right, when you get bored, swing back there, Phil.
Okay.
Have fun.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep. Okay. What did I do wrong? Oh. You just gotta. Oh, looky there. You got spinach. So, let's go. Yikes. Let's try it this way. No. Kinda. Well, I mean, that's it in a nutshell. That's why you don't do that. Oh my lord. Oh no. Now we're having a party. Holy hell. Okay. Come on now. Is anything else? Does it work, kind of? Yeah, but I definitely pooched her. Oh yeah, the bearing came right out. Get in there. Alright, so, yeah. That's pretty much all there is to it. So I'm just gonna kind of dismantle this guy and have some extra parts for, I don't know. Right here. This is what I call the healing bin. We'll come back to it at another date. Yep. So you just leave it in a bin for like 10 years and it magically fixes itself. Well, that's about it.